Hello friends, I am Manisha Nifade, subject English, junior college teacher in Red Shikshan Sanstha's Rao Bahadur Narayanrao Boravke College, Shrierampur. Today we are going to start the 1.1 lesson from the section 1 from 12th standards new syllabus. The title of the lesson is An Astrologer's Day. Now see, at the beginning, let us see the title of this lesson. An Astrologer's Day. It is not the common day, it is the day of astrologer. At the beginning, I would like to tell you the meaning of the word astrologer. See, here is the astrologer who is telling you the future in the market. When you go and see the person who is sitting at the roadside and who is having the parrot cards and calling the people and telling them their future is called here astrologer. Here is the writer is especially talking about the particular day, special day of astrologer. That's why title is An Astrologer's Day. At the beginning, see, let us say the icebreakers. See, icebreakers means let us have the introduction of the lesson at the beginning. We are going to start the lesson, but before that, we are going to know about what is there in the lesson. See, what are your strengths? I would like to ask you, what are your strengths? See, in general, there are weakness and strength. Every person has some strong points and some weaknesses. See, some students know the painting or drawing. Some are good in acting. Some students are good in weaving or knitting. Or some are good in persuading. See, acting, painting, acting, weaving, knitting, these are your strengths. And you can use your strength to make your career. Sometimes you are good in acting. If you are good in acting, you can become an actor. If you are good in weaving, you can design the dresses and do the other things, and you can become dress designer even. See, if you are good in persuading, to convince the people, तुम्ही जर दुसऱ्याला पटवून देण्यात हुशार असाल तर तुम्ही काय बनू शकता? You can become a salesman or businessman. See, these are, you can find out your strengths and you can choose your career. Second point we are going to see. Now, we want to know the local market. See, all of you are familiar with the market. We want to think about the local market. When you go into the weekly market, which things you see there? See, weekly market or in daily market, but let us think about the weekly market. See, all of us know that in this local market we see vegetables, fruits, again sweets, namkeens. Moreover, we see the other things like bangles then we see medicines, Ayurvedic medicines we can see there. Other things we can see in the market. There is bargaining. People are continuously bargaining. Some people are selling, some people are buying, some people are discussing with each other, some are joking. There are the transporting and movement. People are moving here and there in the market. Some people who are coming from the village area, they are talking differently, their dialects are different. आपण बघतो की त्यांच्या बोलीभाषा वेगवेगळ्या असतात मार्केटमध्ये आणि ते त्यांच्या भाषेमध्ये तिथं बोलत असतात. These all things are happening in the local market. See, now what is the next point we are going to see? The astrologer. Common astrologer scene. See, when you go into the market, at the roadside, you see a person sitting on the mat, and with him there are some things. Parrot is with him. तुम्ही बघताय सहज तुम्ही मार्केटमध्ये जाता आणि एखादा भविष्य सांगणारा माणूस बाजूला बसलेला असतो. तो त्याच्याजवळ पोपट असतो. अजून काय असतं बघा, वी सी दॅट पॅरट इज देअर, कार्ड्स आर देअर, देअर आर लेमन अँड ग्रीन चिलीज. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे लिंबू असतं, मिरच्या असतात. देन ही हॅज कौरी, शेल, ऑब्स्क्युअर थिंग्स, क्लोथ्स अँड पंचांग इज विथ हिम. काही माळा असतात, पंचांग असतं, स्टिक काठी असते, मॅजिक वॅन्ड जादूची कांडी असते. अशा गोष्टी वी कॅन सी सच टाईप ऑफ थिंग्स विथ द ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर ॲट द रोड साईड व्हेन वी गो इन टू द मार्केट. दिस इज द कॉमन थिंग्स. नाव सी, लेट अस सी द अनरिझनेबल बिलीफ्स or superstitions. Let me introduce you this word, superstitions. See, when you are crossing the path and cat passes away, when you are going through the road and cat crosses you, सपोज तुम्ही रस्त्याने जाताय, मांजर आडवं गेलं, तुमच्या देशात काय होतं? चांगली गोष्ट असते का? ऑफकोर्स नॉट. दिस इज बॅड ओमेन. अपशकुन असतो आपल्यासाठी. टू कट द नेल्स ॲट नाईट. सी, युअर ग्रँडमदर ऑलवेज टेल्स यू डोंट कट द नेल्स ॲट नाईट. रात्रीच्या वेळेला नख कापायचे नाहीत असं तुम्हाला सांगितलं जातं. अँड व्हाय? व्हॉट इज द रिझन? देर इज नो रिझन. दीज आर द superstitions. Do you know, to killing the cat, मांजर मारणे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. आपल्याकडे मांजर मारणं सुद्धा वाईट गोष्ट समजली जाते. नंतर ऑल ऑफ यू नो दॅट वी यूज द लेमन अँड ग्रीन चिलीज. बऱ्याचदा आपण लिंबू, मिरची या गोष्टींचा वापर करतो. दीज ऑल आर सुपरस्टिशन्स ऑर बिलीफ्स. अंधश्रद्धा आहेत, हे आपले विश्वास आहेत. नाउ वी हॅव टू eradicate, to come out from it. What we have to do for that? If we want to come out or eradicate means to come out through these superstitions or these beliefs. What we have to do? First thing, we have to develop scientific attitude. See, scientific attitude means what? What we have to do? We have to ask the question, or we have to find out the reason why we have to do this. आपल्याला कोणतीही गोष्ट करण्यासाठी आपण प्रश्न विचारला पाहिजे की ही गोष्ट योग्य की अयोग्य. सी, कंटिन्युअसली वी आर डुईंग द फास्ट. आपण कंटिन्युअस उपवास करत असतो, बट वी नेवर आस्क द क्वेश्चन वाय वी शुड डू इट. We are not asking the question, and that's why these superstitions are continue. That's why if we want to eradicate, we want to throw it out, we have to make our scientific attitude clear. Then second thing is we have to create the social awareness. Social awareness means we have to tell the people to whom we meet. See, we are educated, you are also learning in the 12th standard. Now you are also educated. You have to tell the people around you that these things are not good. You have to develop the scientific attitude. You have to ask the reason why we should do this. Then next is, third point is there, practical analysis. If we want to eradicate it, we have to do practical analysis of each and everything. Why we are doing this? Why we are doing the fast? आपण उपवास करतो आहे, का करतो आहे? त्याचं प्रॅक्टिकल ॲनालिसिस केलं पाहिजे की मला हे का करायचं आहे. Then you can eradicate it, means you can come out of it and you get the scientific attitude about it. See, exposing falsehood. If there are false things, तुम्हाला चुकीच्या गोष्टी दिसतायत समोर, तुम्हाला कळतंय की ज्योतिषी चुकीचं सांगतोय, but you are accepting because you cannot oppose the false things. You cannot have that daring to oppose the false things. And such a way you can eradicate it from this, from your views, and you can develop your own attitude. See, this is the R.K. Narayan story we are going to learn on Astrologer's Day. See, the title, all of you know about it. Now, R.K. Narayan, who is this person? Who is the writer? Let us know about him. R.K. Narayan. See, I would like to tell you in very short, who is this person? He is Indian English writer. The people who wrote in English, but they are Indian. He is Indian writer, but he has written in English. He has written some novels, number of travelogues. Travelogues means Pravas Varnan, who has written about their travel. And especially this writer has written number of short stories, and our story on Astrologer's Day is one of them. He has got the national award. It is called the Sahitya Academy Award. See, Sahitya Academy Award is the very famous award in India, and he has got this award for his writing. This person has got this highest award in India. Now, he is famous for humorous writing. Do you know the word humor? Humor म्हणजे विनोदी लिखाण. विनोदी. He is writing humorously, but writing about the common people, ordinary people. See, in his writing, people are not the hi-fi, and people from far away are not there. People in your daily life are there. Very ordinary people are there. Now see, in this story, an Astrologer's Day, I am not going to read the story completely, because you should read this story. I would like to tell you the central idea of this story, and then you have to read it. See, there are only 3 characters in this story. One is astrologer, and second is Guru Nayak, and third is his wife. Only 3 characters are in this story. See, characters. First is astrologer. Second is Guru Nayak. And third is astrologer's wife. See, only 3 characters are there. The story is revolving around these people. See, first, I would like to tell you who is this astrologer. Astrologer is the person who is sitting in the market and he is telling the future of the people, but originally he is not astrologer. He is the person from the village and he has done some crime, and after that crime he ran away from that the village and now he has become the astrologer. Means originally he is not astrologer. तो काही खरा भविष्य सांगणारा माणूस नाही. खेड्यामध्ये ज्या गावात तो राहत होता त्याच्याकडून तिथं गुन्हा घडला आणि त्या गुन्ह्यापासून पळून आला तो गुन्हा केल्यामुळे आणि शहरात येऊन त्याने सरळ भविष्य सांगण्याला सुरुवात केली आणि बघा आपल्याला त्याचं भविष्य खरं वाटायला लागलं. असा हा ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर आहे. अँड he comes in the city and starts his business as telling the future of the people. See how he tells the future. He asks the people 10 minutes speak about you. त्यांच्याकडे त्याचा कस्टमर आलं, ग्राहक आलं की तो त्या माणसाला म्हणतो 10 मिनिटं तुझ्याविषयी सांग. तो माणूस त्याचं सगळी माहिती सांगतो. When he tells continuously 10 minutes, then this astrologer decides to speak. He starts to speak. What he says? Yes, very primary answer, very primary thing he asks. Yes, you are doing lot of efforts in your life. See, he asked that person, you are doing lot of efforts in your life and you are not getting success. बघा भविष्य सांगणारा पहिली गोष्ट सांगत असतो, तुमच्या जीवनामध्ये तुम्ही खूप कष्ट केलेत पण तुम्हाला यश आलं नाही. This is very common thing, and astrologer is telling all people this thing. Again, second thing is very common. He says in your life there is a woman and she is giving trouble to you. आता बघा सगळ्यांच्याच जीवनात एखादी स्त्री असते, ती त्यांना त्रास देत असते. इथं सुद्धा हा ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर त्यांना म्हणतो तुमच्या जीवनात एक स्त्री आहे आणि ती तुम्हाला खूप त्रास देते. These are the common things astrologer is using. And now one day what happens on this particular day? What happens? One person comes to him and he talks, he asks him question, tell me my future, but he caught his hand. ज्योतिषाचा तो हात पकडतो आणि म्हणतो सांग मला माझं भविष्य. When he catches astrologer's hand, he is frightened. त्याने इतका पक्का हात पकडलाय की ज्योतिषी घाबरतो की कोण हा मला असं करतोय. बट ही सेज येस टेल माय फ्युचर. बट दिस ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर इज फ्राइटन. ही सेज नो आय वॉन्ट टू गो माय होम. नो नॉट नाउ, टुमॉरो आय विल टेल यू द फ्युचर. बट दॅट पर्सन इज नॉट रेडी. ही सेज सिट हिअर अँड टेल मी द फ्युचर. तो त्याला बसवतोच आणि म्हणतो मला माझं भविष्य सांग. अँड वेन ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर सीज that person with closely, what he sees the scar on his chest. त्याला दिसतं की समोरच्या माणसाच्या छातीवर कसली तरी जखम आहे, खून आहे. and that time he recognized that this person is Guru Nayak. Guru Nayak is the second character to whom astrologer has stabbed once in a village. की ज्याला या ज्योतिषाने एकेकाळी मारलं होतं आणि त्याला वाटलं होतं की तो मेला. त्याने तिथून त्याला सोडून दिलं, विहिरीत ढकलून दिलं आणि तो शहरात पळून आलेला होता. Such a story is there, and here astrologer is very frightened, but now he tells the Guru Nayak that yes, I would like to tell you the story, and he tells his story because he knows everything in his life, and he reveals his all the story. Here, at last, this Guru Nayak get convinced, and he gives him the money. Astrologer goes home, his wife becomes satisfied. See, such a story is here, but I would not like to tell you the complete story. If I tell it, you will not read it. That's why now you have to read it at home, this story. Now, what is the theme of this story? The story is here superstitions of Indian people. What type of people are there, how they are believing on fate, त्यांचा भविष्यावर कसा विश्वास आहे आणि कशा पद्धतीने ते स्वतःचं नुकसान करून घेतात. अँड लास्ट थिंग इज फेक ॲस्ट्रॉलॉजर्स, खोटे भविष्य सांगणारे लोक आपल्याकडे कसे आहेत, अँड हाऊ दे आर डिसिविंग द कॉमन पीपल. आय थिंक यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड व्हॉट इज इन दिस स्टोरी. I would like to once again insist on one thing. You have to read the story originally, because it is the R.K. Narayan style of writing. Definitely it will give you the delight of reading. Now I would like to conclude my lecture. Thank you for that.